Okay, so first part will be part 1, that will be basic of MuleSoft. Here we will learn about basic concept of MuleSoft. We will see all the component and connector. We'll do small POC on those component and connector. Here I will not take you in detail, in depth. Okay, so that will be part of real-time project. When we will go with real-time project, at that time we will take you in detail of those component and connector. But here I will just give you some understanding of those component connector, their capabilities, what all property and configuration that contains, in which use case we will use that component and connector. Those kind of detail and discussion we will do here. So for this particular thing, we will take 1 month. Okay. Starting from today. Okay, so today, starting from today, it will go till first 15th of Feb. Okay, no matter it's a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day we will have this training. Okay, till 15th of Feb, every day we will have training. This will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Saturday and Sunday. Till 15th Feb, it will be regular. Then starting from 16th Feb, this will be only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then from 16th, we will start. Let me see if 16th will be which date and all day. 16. Okay. So this will be, then I think we can till 14. It will be till
Ravi?
14.
That
Yes.
is Jan calendar, Ravi.
So 14th, 15th. So 18th will be next. Till 15th, we will have then fine. So then fine. So this will start from then 18. Okay. So from 18, we will start second part. So in this part 2, I will take you through one real-time project. Okay. So this will be like one of the critical part of this entire training. Okay. So here only you will get 70% of learning in this second part. Second part will be one of the important part here. And as I mentioned, 70% learning you will do from here. So here what I will do, I will develop one project from scratch to end that will contain developer role also, lead role also, architect role also. So you will have all three role experience in this part. Since I will start from requirement gathering, which will be done by architect, then I will go with project management part, how you work in agile methodology, how Jira ticketing tool works. That will be part of lead, and then we will do development also. Okay, so everything I will do, you will follow me, you will understand the process, and you will do same thing in your system. Okay, you will not do same day. Let's say today we have class. So once I will come, I will do that thing. You will follow me. You will see everything. Wherever you will have doubt, you will ask me. And then just after the class, whenever you have time, you will start doing same thing in your system. So I will give recording on same day. Okay. And you need to follow that recording. If you will forget anything, you can go through recording and you will do same thing in your system. Okay. So this part we will start from 18th Feb. And this will go almost 1 month. Okay. This will go 1 month, and this will be only 2 days. So we will have this class Saturday and Sunday. Fine. Now we will start with part 3. So part 3 we will start once we will complete this one. Okay. So once we will complete this part 1, same time we will start part 3, and this will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. So I'm expecting at this moment, I'm expecting this will be completed by Feb. Okay. So this will start from 1st of, okay. From 1st of March, this 3 day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will work on part 3. Now, what will be part 3? In part 3, we will have 2 real-time projects. And what is the purpose of this part 3? And this will cover 20% of your learning. Okay. So the main purpose of this part 3, once when I will do part 2, when I will do project, you will see things. Definitely you will get 90% of things. Okay. But unless you will not do things by your hand, you will not see actual problem. Okay. From outside, when you will watch the thing, what I will do in part 2, you will able to understand everything. You will able to do same thing by watching my video. But main learning you will get once you will do those things by your hand. So that we will do in part 3. So for those 2 projects, what I will do, so we will create a team. Okay, let's say we have, I think we have good number of participants for this training. So we will split those participants in multiple teams. Okay, like let's say we have 5 teams. Okay, so if for each team I will create one module. Okay, and inside that module itself we will have multiple projects, multiple APIs, not project. We will have multiple API, and those API, like sometime someone is working on process API, another one is working on system API. So once that person will complete their system API part, you need to use their system API to call to like connect with external system. Okay, so you people will have dependency on each other. So you will call each other. You will do all the development and everything. What you will learn during this part 2. Okay, so during part 2, I will teach you everything. You will learn the process and you will do implement same thing in during part 3 by yourself. In part 2, you will do same thing, but you will just follow the same step what I did. But here you will be independent. Okay, first you will put your approach. Wherever you will have doubt, I will be there to resolve your doubt. Okay, I will not do in front. First you need to do. If you will have doubt, you will come to me and I will explain. Let's say you are working on Dremel and you are stuck at some place. Then I will tell you this is your, like this is the problem with this Dremel. So you will fix this and then you will continue working on same Dremel. Hope everyone clear with this. So next there will be part 4. So few people has opted this part 4 also. Here we will have interview preparation and all. Okay. So in this, like this will start parallelly. Okay. So whenever I will feel you people have good enough experience and confidence. So whoever opted this part 4 interview preparation one, for them I will start this one. Okay. So for this also, I have some plan like how we will proceed. So first, like 10 days, I will keep explaining interview question, what all interview question they are asking very frequently. I will explain all those questions, how to answer all those questions. Okay. And then we will do some mock interview. Based on that, we will do some mock interview also. And then I will provide you more resources from where you can prepare. And then again, like we will keep doing that mock interview and will help you to apply on multiple places. So for that one, like that is, this will take at least 1.5 months or 2 months. So at that time, I will tell you in detail how this interview part will be there. Okay. So now let me recap this and then we will start for today. Okay. Here we will have four part. First part, we will have training where you will learn about MuleSoft component connector. We'll do small POC. We'll understand what all capability Mule has, and then in which use case we should use which component. Okay. Let's say we have for looping, we have for each also and parallel for each also. Okay. So in which scenario we should use for each, in which scenario we should use for parallel for each. Okay. It's not like you can use anything anywhere. Okay, if you have to do looping, you can use anything. So there are multiple concepts are there which you need to know. Then you will able to take decision which component is more suitable at which place. Okay. Only developing API is not enough. You have to develop your API in such a way your API will give better performance. It will have better throughput. Okay. So for that, you need to know many things that we will discuss in this basic training. Then in part two, there will be one real-time project where I will do everything. You will watch, like you will see me, how I am doing things. You will follow, you will understand same thing, like you will understand thing, you will follow same thing and you will do same thing in your system. Okay. But in part three, you will do everything by yourself, whatever you will learn in part two. And then I will help to resolve your doubt only. And then part four, we will have interview preparation. Still, if anyone will have any doubt, we can discuss offline. Now
Ravi,
today we will,
just one question. So in part one, what you have written 15 Feb, only 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And that part two, those will be simultaneously?
okay, no. What I mean to say, till 14 Feb, we will only take this real training only. We will
Uh-huh.
not do in any
Okay.
other part. Till 14 Feb, we will do only this training only.
Basic.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, basic training only. So, and from 15th Feb, only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will have training. Since from 18th, like next Saturday and Sunday will be 18. So every Saturday and Sunday, we will start working on real-time project 18, 19, 25, 26. So this weekends, we will start working on real-time project.
Okay. And weekdays, basics. Okay.
Okay.
What is the time, Ravi? For a
Okay.
weekday?
Yeah. So weekday, as per current discussion, it should be 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. on weekday. Weekend, it will be 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. This is the as per current discussion, but I think a few people suggested to take in morning. But if it will be in morning, then it will be very early morning. So that I need to check with everyone. So that discussion we will do in our group only. But this will be your current time.
Ravi, we can manage in morning time. I think everyone will be free in morning. No,
Yes.
sometimes people will have work also. I mean, you can check with everyone, Ravi. I mean, at least
Yeah. That's why I
maximum people.
suggested. Let me do one let me provide one Google form. I will put some slots. Okay. And let means you have to select all the like comfortable slots for you. Okay, it's not only this time is good for you, then whatever slots you can manage, you will select that slot and we will see in which slot everyone is compatible. But if
Okay.
not, if we will not able to find any slot, then this will be our slot.
Can you make it 6 to 9? 10 means Sunday, if we complete 10 o'clock, Monday again we need to go to offices in the early.
Okay, so
In
why
that
I'm
possible.
taking this, generally Saturday, Sunday, many people has their plan. Okay. Generally morning they used to go outside. Okay, that's why I took a bit late. So if they will have anything, they will complete everything by 7 and then from 7 they can join the class. That is the main purpose I kept 1 hour later.
Yeah, okay.
You know,
Maybe in
like
weekdays we can put the classes after 7:37.
Okay.
Okay, for timing wise, at this moment this will be timing, but yeah, I will check later on in group only. Okay, but 90% possibility will be we will have this time. But let me check if we can find any other time which will be good for everyone. Then yeah, I will move that. Okay.
And this 7 to 10 starts from today or what? I mean,
Coming
like
Saturday. Okay, no.
for
This
coming week,
Saturday
like
and Sunday. Yeah, this Saturday, Sunday only 1 hour. This Saturday and Sunday only 6 to 7. But from next Saturday and Sunday, it will be 7 to 10. Is it clear?
yes, right. And for part two, is there any timeline? Like for part one, you mentioned 1 month it goes, right? For part two, is there any time?
Yeah. This will go for 1 month only. This will also go for 1 month. This is tentative time. There might be 4 5 day up and down. Okay? And this will be overlap with these two and three. There will be some overlap between 1 and 2 also, 2 and 3 also, and 3 and 4 also. Is it clear?
Hello.
Yes.
Anyone saying anything? Your voice is not clear. Yeah, your voice is not clear.
Ravi, can I join the call again? I'm not able to see the screen. Whatever you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
presenting.
You need to join again.
Okay.
Ravi, can you send us the exact schedule that you mentioned now
Okay.
on in the group chat?
Yeah. Yes, sure. So this is
I know you
Indian.
tried to mention everything on the video, but just put it on the chat if it's possible for you,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Thank you.
Let me put Eastern time also, since we have 5 6 people from US also. So
Yeah, it's just a
this
lot
will
of
be
time.
7:30. I'm giving you Eastern time. Okay, if you are in different time zone, you can convert that into Eastern. So this will be Eastern time. And then for this 3 day, let me convert it. So this will be timing Eastern time 7:30 to 8:30, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This will be AM. Okay. And Saturday and Sunday it will be 8:30 to 11:30. Okay. So hopefully everyone got this, but it's okay. Like even if you are unable to capture this thing, let it be. Just leave for me. I will arrange things and I will keep communicating. Okay. So you need to focus on learning part. This time management I will do, and I will keep circulating. Okay. So no need to worry on this part. Okay. So now let's start our today's session. That will be basic of this MuleSoft. Okay. So today I will not take much detail, but I will just give you heads up like what this MuleSoft do. Okay. like before going to use this particular tool or technology, we need to understand why we are why we need this technology, why this technology is booming in market, what is the main reason for this. Okay, so what happened, like whenever we work for any industry, okay, so if you will go for any big company or big industry, no matter it's from like which domain, okay, so they will have different heterogeneous system. Okay, let's say in a same company we have CRM system, okay, we have ERP system, then we have some legacy application, legacy application. Then we have some database where we are storing data, database system. We have some file management system, file system, or you can say SFTP server. I just took 4 or 5 example, but in actual there will be more systems. Okay. So you can see here, we have here a heterogeneous system. So CRM system, like in market, there are multiple CRM service provider. Let me take any 2, 3 CRM systems who are big giant of CRM. So Salesforce, like Salesforce provided CRM system, then Oracle also provides CRM system. I think big company are there. So 2, 3 we just seen. So one, let's say we have CRM system as a Salesforce or Oracle. Or Oracle. Okay. Any ERP system like big in ERP system. Oracle has ERP system, but I don't know any big company who provide this ERP system. So SAP has their Oracle, Microsoft, SAP. Okay, yeah. So SAP and Oracle. So ERP system, what exactly it do? It like it will provide you one system where you can easily do your resource planning. Okay, let's say you are working for any retail domain. Okay, you are part of any retail domain project. So in retail company, what will happen? There will be lots of employee. Okay. So for those employee, we need some system where from where you can easily manage all those resources. You will have some few people in HR department. You will have few people in like store department. You will have few people in marketing department. So like that, you will have like if you go for any big MNC like Walmart, or if you go for Amazon, they have like thousands of employees. So if they will not have proper system, it will be very difficult for them to manage the entire organization. Since they have lots of resources, they have lots of employee, and they need some system from where they can easily manage their resources. Okay, so ERP provide that kind of solution by, or you can say system by which you can manage your resources. Same way, CRP means customer. Not CRP, CRM. Oh, sorry, CRM. So this one is customer relationship management system. Okay. So here, like you manage the customer. Okay, let's say in retail domain, you have your set of employee, and you will have like thousands of customers also who purchase order from you. So that customer will do registration, they will do login, they will do order. Okay. Then many things will be there where you need to manage customer data. And to manage those customer data, you must need one system from where you can manage your customer very easily. So for those kind of thing, like for customer management system, like for to manage your customer and to manage your employee, definitely if there is organization, they need some system. So they have these two systems. Now for CRM, they are using Salesforce. This XYZ organization, this organization is using CRM system as a Salesforce. For ERP, they are using SAP. Now they have some legacy system. Okay. Generally, legacy system is very old system where they are doing their processing. Let's say as a legacy system, they have AS400 system that is provided by IBM. Okay. Or let's say they have some .NET application for order management. Okay. Legacy system can be anything which exists for that company from long time. So they don't want to replace that entire system. They want to continue with this system. Okay, that legacy system, as I mentioned, it can be anything. It can be your .NET application where you are managing your order, or it can be your AS400 system where you are storing data or you are doing some kind of processing there. So this legacy system, let's say we have this AS400. Now we have database. Okay, so that company has some storage also where they are storing their data. Okay, as a database system, they are using Azure Data Lake. Okay, or you can say Azure database. Oracle also has database. Then many other big organizations are there. Now for SFTP server, let's say they have some SFTP server where they are storing all the files and all. So if you are working for any organization, there will be lots of file also. Okay, so they need some storage where you can maintain all the files. So for that, we have SFTP server. Now to run this organization, we need this many of system. But one challenge you can see here, this is in Salesforce, this is in SAP, this is in AS400, this one is Azure database, this one is SFTP server. All are from different vendor. They are based on different technology. So it will be difficult for them to communicate with each other. Okay, Salesforce has their own language, they have on coding, they have on SQL query. means they have their own query. Okay, so SAP system don't know how to communicate with Salesforce system. This Azure database don't know how to communicate with ERP system. But to run this organization smoothly, many times they need to exchange data from one system to another system. As I mentioned, this contain customer related data and this contain order related data. But sometimes this Salesforce, like this order related data needs some customer related data also. So at that time, we need to exchange data from here to here. Sometimes we need to exchange data from here to here. Since these are heterogeneous systems, they don't know each other technology, but to run this organization smoothly, they need to exchange their data. So what happened in between? One technology will come. Okay, you can say one translator. We need one translator. This translator need to know each other. Okay, like this translator should have capability to connect with each system. Okay, so this translator know how to connect with ERP system, how to get data from ERP system. This translator know how to get data from, how to get data from ERP system, how to get data from CRM system, and how to connect with this legacy system, how to connect with this database system. Go on mute. If you are not speaking anything, please be on mute. To connect with SFTP server. So this middleware technology is designed in such a way this middleware technology know how to connect with this different system. Okay, let's say from Salesforce system, we are changing the customer data, customer first name and last name to legacy application. But in legacy application, it know only name. It in legacy application, it don't know first name and last name. It has like capacity to store only name. That should be combination of first name plus last name. So this middleware technology has capability to connect with this system also and this system also. And in this middleware technology, we do data transformation also. It has capability to do data transformation also. So whenever it will get data from CRM system, whenever it will get first name and last name. What it will do, it know we need to exchange this data to legacy application, and legacy application has only name. So what it will do, for passing that data to legacy application, it will merge those two first name and last name. It will combine first name with last name and it will create name. And then it will pass that name to this legacy system. Okay, and that name is acceptable by this legacy system. If we will not do transformation, if we will not merge those two things, legacy system will not accept that data. Since legacy system don't have capacity or capability to store first name and last name, it has only name. So this middleware technology is responsible to connect with heterogeneous system and to do required transformation. Okay, now you can see no matter what all application that organization is using, with the help of this middleware technology, we can easily exchange data from one place to another place. Okay, so this is the like technical definition. Now let's go with one real-time example. Then it will be more clear. So here, let's say I went to some international business place, like where we are doing international business. Okay, so 4 people came here for business purpose. So this person is from India. So this person is from US. Let me take another example. For Germany. This is from France. And this person is from any other country, UK. Let's say
China.
I think you are considering China as a business. Okay. Okay. So we have this 4 person. Okay. Now they came to do some international business. Okay. They came to some place where they want to deal, like they want to do some business deal. Okay. Now you can see, like without proper communication, they will not able to do any deal. Okay. So to run their business, they must need to communicate with each other. But they have their language barrier. They don't know each other. So what they can do, one option they have, they will hire like I think 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 6 translator. So they have 2 options. One option, they will hire translator. So this person want to communicate with this. So what they are doing here, so to communicate with these two, okay, they will use this translator. They had 6 people. So one person knew Germany and Chinese. So whenever this German people want to communicate, what he will do, he will pass their message to this translator. Now translator will convert that into Chinese format, means they will convert in Chinese language and they will pass to here. Now that Chinese person will able to understand, he will reply his message in his language, and this translator will catch that one and it will convert into German language and it will pass to this person. So in this way, these two will able to communicate. Same way, this translator know German language also and Indian language also. So this translator will help to communicate these 2 people. This translator will help to communicate with these 2 people. And this translator will help to communicate between these 2 people. And this one will help to communicate between these two. And this one will help to communicate between these two. In this way, there will be multiple translators who can help them to communicate with each other. And this kind of integration or this kind of communication is known as point-to-point communication. So one person know like how to communicate with this point and how to communicate with this point. So this kind of communication is known as point-to-point communication. So previously also, when these two system want to communicate, we had point-to-point integration. Okay. In very you can say 10-15 years back, organization used to do in this way. Okay. So they used to create, you can say, some kind of adapters, which adapters are capable to do point-to-point communication. So one adapter will be in between these two, one adapter in between these two, one adapter in between these two. Okay. So that was previous approach. Instead of this, what we can do, we can develop one device or we can hire one translator So we can hire one translator who know all this language also, means who know how to communicate between all these people. Means that person, the translator know Hindi also, German also, French also, and Chinese also. So this person know or has capability to communicate between, make a connection between each people, and then it can do required transformation also. Let's say in India, like we have like lots of you can say grammars and all. We follow very strictly, but in like you can say China and all, they have everything in one word only. Okay, so like in Mandarin, we don't have any sentence based on their or and they have accent. Based on accent, meaning will change. Okay, so this person has all the capability. They know to connect with each four person, and this know how and what they will break the sentence also. Okay, so how this translator works in real life, same way this integration technology work in technical like world. Okay, so this integration technology has capability to connect with each system, and it can do required transformation. Okay, so throughout your career in MuleSoft, you will do same thing only. You will connect with different system. That system can be Oracle database, that can be MySQL database, that can be Azure database, or you will connect with different CRP system, CRM system, ERP system. So throughout your career, your responsibility will be to connect with external system, take data from there, do required transformation, and pass to another system. Okay, so you will do data exchange from one system to another system. That is the main purpose of this integration technology, or you can say this middleware technology. Now you will say MuleSoft is only one middleware or integration technology. No, we have multiple integration technology or multiple uh, middleware technology in market. So we have MuleSoft, we have Delbumi, we have Oracle integration, that is Oracle SOA Beppel and Oracle Service Bus. In Oracle, one more product is there, that is I forgot name. Okay, so in Oracle only, Oracle has three products which do integration and which works as a middleware technology. Then we have TIBCO, we have IIB. I think one is that is IBM system, that is IIB. And then few more integration technology are there in market, or you can say ESB systems are there in market. So many times people will term as a ESB system, that is known as enterprise service bus. Okay, how bus carry data from one place to another place. Same way, this also carry enterprise data from one place to another place. That's why many places you will see ESB, enterprise service base. Many places they will term this as a middleware technology, since it's a middle of all the technology. It's a middleman of all this technology. So sometime you will see term like middleware technology. Sometime you will heard about, you will see this term like integration technology, since with the help of this technology, we are integrating all this system. Okay, so any name you can or like ESP, integration technology, or middleware technology. Okay, and this is the main purpose of this MuleSoft or any middleware technology. So it will help us to communicate or to exchange data from one heterogeneous system to another heterogeneous system. Okay, and why I am terming this heterogeneous system, since this is a Salesforce product, they have their own infrastructure, they have their own technology, and this is the SFTP server which has their own technology and own way of communication. Okay, so they can't communicate directly since they don't know each other. They don't understand to connect with each other. So how they can communicate with each other? They need some middleman. That middleman should know how to connect with this also and how to connect with this also. And in middleman, what it will do, whenever it required, it will do required transformation also. Okay, that's why nowadays this technology are like any middleware technology is very popular since in any organization to run their business smoothly, they are using different heterogeneous system. Okay, if let's say they want one customer management system, okay, so they can't build their own customer management system. So what they will do, in market there are many SaaS product, software as a service. Many SaaS products are available. What they used to do, they take license from there and they use that product on pay on use basis. Instead of developing their own CRM system, what they will do, they will see in market there are many CRM service providers are there. They will take license from anywhere. They will use that product, and whenever they will think now they don't need, they will unsubscribe that product. Okay. So slowly, like starting from I think 2000 or 2010, this SaaS product start getting too much popularity since company don't have that much time to build their own system and to use their own system. Okay, since market is very fast growing, so they can't spend too much time to building their own system. So in market, there are many SaaS service providers are there. They go there based on their requirement. They purchase the thing and they do required configuration. Okay, here you can see, let's say one organization want to do their setup. They are like new organization. So if they will start going to develop everything, okay, let's say we have one XYZ retail company. Okay, they started their business. If they will start building their own CRM system, on ERP system, on database and all, then it will take like 2-3 years to develop this system. Till that time, they have to do file work, they have to do manual work. So if they will go in that process, they will not able to survive in market. So what they used to do, based on their requirement, they will search what CRM system they have, which is more suitable for them. They go there and they purchase their product, pay pay on use basis. Okay. Once they will purchase all the system, now another challenge they have, many times they need to exchange data from one place to another place. Okay, so whenever they want to exchange data from one place to another place, they need some middleware technology. Since all these are heterogeneous system, they can't take like all the product from one company, since there might be multiple means based on their requirement, they have to select product. Okay, so that's why they have to go with the different vendors. They have to go with the different products, and there might be possibility those products are using like build on different technology. Then challenge will be how they will communicate with each other. So to resolve that challenge, we have this middleware technology. And as per my understanding, like coming like 5-10 years, there will not be any other solution which can replace the middleware technology. Okay. So definitely 5-10 years, there will be good market for integration technology. Maybe in future, like technology is growing very fast. Some other solution will come and which can replace this integration technology. But 5-10 years, I can't see anything which will able to replace this middleware technology. So there will be huge demand for this middleware technology. Okay, if anyone has any doubt, let me know.
Ravi, like, can you tell me, like, since you're working so long in these things, how it has evolved? Like, I mean, previously they used to use Oracle, now MuleSoft they're preferring.
Yeah, see, even I started my career with Oracle. Okay, and I seen like Oracle products like they were using SOA product, service oriented architecture. So in Oracle, what they used to do whenever they want to exchange data, okay, they have their connect adapters. They are connect. They know how to connect with this system. But whenever they are connecting with any system, first thing that whatever data they will get, they must need to convert into XML format. Okay, so means Oracle is using SOA service-oriented architecture. So first, they must need to convert their data into XML, and then only they can do any kind of processing. And they have many strict, you can say governance and all, or you can say protocol and all. You must need to follow that protocol, then only your API will work. But nowadays in market, REST API is getting too much popularity. REST API has their rule and regulation, but it's not strictly like you must need to follow. And REST API is lightweighted. That's why Oracle market is it went down previously. Like when I started career, so in 2014, at that time there were lots of projects means for Oracle, SOA, and OSB. They were not getting any resources. They have that much demand. Okay, they were hiding resources, anything. But now, like most of the client who already built their application in SOA, they are continue there only. Since if some system is already stable, uh, moving on different technology will be very difficult. Okay, so if someone already using that product, so they are continuing there. They are giving support to existing product. But what I have observed, whatever new projects are coming, most of them are moving on Delbumi or MuleSoft. And compared to Delbumi and MuleSoft, like MuleSoft, like it's a very much like coupled with Salesforce, and both of them are Salesforce product only. Let's say you are already using Salesforce CRM system, and in CRM world, Salesforce is a big giant. Okay, so it has acquired almost entire market in CRM. So whatever client are using Salesforce as a CRM system, most of them are preferring this MuleSoft as an integration technology. Okay, since if you are taking one product from one company, then for you also it's easy to take another product from that company only. And both of these, Salesforce CRM and this MuleSoft, has very much good, or you can say very good compatibility also. Okay, so most of the Salesforce client preferring this MuleSoft. That's why MuleSoft getting too much project also. And like you can say work-wise also, it's MuleSoft is very much flexible compared to Oracle integration. What I have seen, okay, when I was working on Oracle, so it was very difficult for me to understand threading and all. But when I moved in MuleSoft, it's very I got very in-depth knowledge in very lesser time. And another advantage are there here. So for MuleSoft, you will get very good content on internet. Whatever doubts you will have, if you will Google it properly, you will get some solution. But for other integration technology, you will not able to find those kind of resources on internet. These all things are learning, but apart of that, product wise also, it has too much capability. It has 200 plus connector. Okay. Development wise also, you need to put less effort. Okay. And their infrastructure and all also very easy to understand, and they have very good capability. So many advantages are there. Once you will learn this technology, you will get idea of all those things. So for today, we will end our session. Actually, as I mentioned, like today we have just introduction part of MuleSoft, and we have this planning also, like how we are going to take this course. So from tomorrow, we will start actual learning. We will start from basic concept of MuleSoft, and you will slowly we will start learning. We will go through all components and connectors. If anyone has any doubt, let me know. Okay, today it's just a like theoretical discussion. Okay, so even if you are not getting much, it's okay, since once we will start doing hands-on part, then you will start getting all these things conceptually, why we are saying how to connect with this heterogeneous system, what is data transformation. So all those things, once we will start doing, then you will get more in-depth knowledge. This is just a high-level introduction where exactly MuleSoft came, like from where MuleSoft came in picture. Okay, fine then. So for today, I think we are good. If you have any query, you can ask quickly. Okay, if not, then we are good. Let's connect on same time tomorrow.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, Ravi. How can I reset like Teams password? Like, and I'm unable to do it. Do that.